remains in effect from 6 p.m. this evening to noon Central Standard Time Thursday. What? Temperatures in the single digits and teams will combine with gusty north winds to produce dangerously cold wind chills between 10 above to 10 below zero. Where? All of west central Texas. When? From 6 p.m. this evening to noon Central Standard Time Thursday. Impacts. The cold wind chills as low as 10 below zero could result in hypothermia if precautions are not taken. Frostbite and hypothermia will occur if unprotected skin is exposed to these temperatures. An extended period of freezing temperatures could cause ruptured water pipes. An extreme cold warning means that dangerously low temperatures are expected for a prolonged period of time. Frostbite and hypothermia are likely if exposed to these temperatures. Wear protective clothing such as a hat, face mask, and heavy gloves or mittens if you have plans to be outdoors. To prevent freezing and possible bursting of outdoor water pipes, they should be wrapped, drained, or allowed to drip slowly. Those that have in-ground sprinkler systems should drain them and cover above-ground pipes to protect them from freezing. Here is the Abilene area forecast. Extreme cold warning remains in effect from 6 p.m. this evening to noon Central Standard Time Thursday. Tonight, mostly cloudy and brisk. Much colder with lows around 9 above. North winds 15 to 25 miles an hour with gusts up to 35 miles an hour. Wind chill values as low as 11 below after midnight.
No.
Wednesday, partly sunny in the morning, then clearing. Much colder with highs in the mid-20s. North winds 15 to 20 miles an hour with gusts up to 30 miles an hour.